Okay, so the sun's coming up. It's the next morning after our real estate road trip. I came in, fired up Zillow. I've got a saved search on Zillow that puts me right into that neighborhood, the Charlotte Opportunity Zone neighborhood, which is right tucked in, the one that was right tucked in near Uptown Charlotte that we visited yesterday. I saw this property came on the market one day on Zillow. It was listed yesterday for sale by owner. Guy happens to own two of them, both rented across the street from each other. I popped them into a portfolio on the Renters Warehouse Marketplace, and so here they are now. All right. Again, I have the ability here to drop in and take a look at the neighborhood from the sky. All right. This is the place we were at yesterday. Here's one of the houses. So you get a chance to get a feel for the neighborhood via this. I'll, of course, drive back down there again, but it's not tough at all. This is clean. I like it a lot. These are the two properties. All right, it gave me an analysis of each that puts the prices at about 95,000 instead of 110. I've got my financials here, so I can see the way they perform at the $95,000. So at asking price, these are a 6.67% net yield, and at the offer price of 195, they're at 7.18. That sounds great to me. I've got my projections in here I'm not really messing with right now. I love this market data chart here. This shows me the green line that the Mecklenburg County market was more mild than the national market, which shot up like this and then corrected hard and then recovered. Mecklenburg County kind of resisted the boom a little bit, had a little bit of a bust, and then it's coming back really strong. This whole arch right here kind of puts the curve right about where it wants to be. So I believe this 2.8% average because it's over the last 20 years and it's kind of right about there. So I expect it to level off a little bit and maintain that roughly 3% average. Although from what I told you yesterday, I actually believe it's going to get steeper and go stronger because this is the whole county of Mecklenburg, but that tucked in next to the Amazon facility is going to make this place pop a little more. So I have the ability, if I want, to go back into my charts here and say instead of 2.8% appreciation, I'm going to say 3.5 and see how that looks in terms of my equity buildup over time. So 10 years from now, this $195,000 investment is going to be worth $265. 20 years from now, $400. All right, so I'll double my money in 20 years, plus I'll make $14,000 a year in income. So great freaking investment. I just texted the owner, and by 6:45 in the morning, I made offers on both properties. I love this. Thanks for watching.